Hi, my friends. It's Mr. Chad. I have a question for you. Do you feel like you are growing and changing? Today, we're going to read a book called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Let's see if this caterpillar is growing and changing just like you. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny but very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. And that was today's story about the very hungry caterpillar. Isn't it so cool to see all the different transformations of the caterpillar? Now I want you to get your picture journal and draw the different phases of the butterfly's life cycle, and then you can use that picture to make your own story of the very hungry caterpillar. Okay friends, that was a lot of fun. See you next time. Bye!